my pleasure to introduce myself to all of you. My name is Ayushya. I am 5 years old. I am born on 17 November 2017. I am from Bengaluru, where I live with my family. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a faulty worker in Dubai. My mother is a housewife. I am UK student at Holy Family AP School in Tarkashiri. My hobby is watching cartoons and coloring books. My favorite subject is English. My favorite sport is Malambolada. My favorite food is chicken biryani. My favorite drink is milkshake. My favorite color is orange. I want to become a soldier because I love my country very much. Thank you.